Hello friends, today in this video we will tell you about new technology trends. 1. Computing power. Computing power. What it is and why it matters. Computing power is a term that describes the ability of a computer or a system of computers to perform specific tasks. Computing power can be measured by various metrics, such as the speed and capacity of processors, memory units, and network connections. Computing power can also be expressed by the number and complexity of operations that a computer can perform per second. Computing power is important for many applications and domains in the modern world. Computing power enables faster and more accurate processing of large amounts of data, complex calculations, and algorithms. Computing power can also create new possibilities and innovations in various fields, such as artificial intelligence, big data, quantum computing, and blockchain. Some examples of computing power applications are: 1. Healthcare. Computing power can help medical professionals diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases by analyzing genomic sequences, medical images, and drug trials. Computing power can also enable personalized medicine and precision medicine by tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their genetic and environmental factors. 2. Engineering. Computing power can help engineers design and optimize machines, structures, and systems by simulating, testing, and analyzing various engineering scenarios and problems. Computing power can also enable smart manufacturing and smart cities by integrating sensors, actuators, and communication networks into physical objects and infrastructure. 3. Aerospace. Computing power can help aerospace engineers and scientists design and launch rockets, satellites, and spacecraft by modeling, visualizing, and optimizing aerospace designs and trajectories. Computing power can also enable navigation, communication, and exploration of outer space by processing signals, images, and data from space missions. 4. Urban planning. Computing power can help urban planners and architects design and manage cities and infrastructure by modeling, visualizing, and optimizing urban environments. Computing power can also enable smart mobility and smart energy by integrating transportation systems, renewable energy sources, and smart grids into urban networks. 5. Finance and business. Computing power can help financial analysts and traders process and analyze market data, trends, and risks by using advanced mathematical models and algorithms. Computing power can also enable encryption, verification, and security of transactions by using cryptography and blockchain technologies. Computing power faces some challenges as well. Some of these challenges are: 1. Insufficient supply. There is a growing demand for more computing power for various applications, but the supply is limited by physical and technical constraints. For example, there is a limit to how fast a processor can run or how many cores it can have. There is also a limit to how much energy a computer can consume or how much heat it can dissipate. 2. High cost. Computing power can be expensive to acquire and maintain, especially for large-scale systems. For example, building and operating a supercomputer can cost millions or billions of dollars. There are also costs associated with hardware maintenance, software updates, security measures, and personnel training. 3. High energy consumption. Computing power consumes a lot of energy, which can have environmental and economic impacts. For example, running a supercomputer can consume as much electricity as a small city. This can increase greenhouse gas emissions and contribute to climate change. It can also increase energy bills and create energy shortages or blackouts. 4. Centralization. Computing power can be concentrated in the hands of a few entities, such as governments, corporations, or individuals. This can create monopolies and security risks. For example, centralized computing power can be used for malicious purposes such as hacking, spying, or censorship. It can also be vulnerable to attacks or failures that can compromise data or services. Computing power is a key factor that shapes the digital economy and society. Computing power has many benefits and applications across different industries and domains. However, computing power also faces some challenges that need to be addressed. Therefore, it is important to understand what computing power is and why it matters. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.